She looks cozy.
And she
all bundled
looks
up.
cozy, bundled up, and you see. Well, my mom was just gonna make some coffee for my dad, and then when she opened the fridge, she saw Rose.
Yep, there she is.
Isn't that amazing?
It is amazing.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for big.
It is Vlogmas day 5. And I am just gonna get some coffee. This is my cute little coffee mug. It has little gingerbreads on it and candy canes. And then on the inside, it's so cute. It has little, is that holly or mistletoe? Probably holly. Anyways, it's my second cup as usual. I'm always drinking coffee.
Chocolate right there.
Oh, thank you. She brought me a piece of chocolate, which I'm not gonna eat right now because it is 7 o'clock in the morning. Hi. Hey, Bubba. Okay, so I'm gonna talk to you while I'm doing this. I know that you can't really, not sponsored by Coffee Mate. I know that like half of me is like cut off, but that's fine. So I'm pouring my second cup of coffee. I have been up since like 3:30, I think. So Mama definitely needs some more coffee. But how cute, I was showing you my mug. How cute is this mug? It is from, I think it's from Hobby Lobby. Honestly, nowadays I just get all of my mugs from either Hobby Lobby or Home Goods because they have the cutest designs. They have the cutest mugs. Like I got this one. I'm gonna set you guys down here for a second. I got this mug from, where is it from? From Home Goods. It's my Halloween mug, which if you have seen, or like if you follow me on Instagram, then you would have seen my cute little Halloween mug. It's adorable, and like when I had it on my Instagram stories, like everybody was sending me messages about where I got it. So I'll show you because it's super cute. I have it, okay, I'm just gonna set you up right here for a second inside the cabinet. Okay. Oh, here it is, perfectly in that corner. Ooh, a short girl problems. Okay, so this is the mug, so cute. It's like foiled too, so come on, focus. Okay, so it has like a little kitty cat pumpkin, a regular little pumpkins, a cat with a witch's hat, little stars, a cat as a ghost, and all of it except for the white is like foiled. And then on the inside in gold it says trick me out, like meow, like a cat. It won't focus, but super cute. And this mug is like really big. I don't know if you can tell how big it is. It's like ginormous though. And I'm pretty sure it was like $4 from Home Goods. So if you're looking for cute mugs, check out Home Goods. Also, you know what? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys my little holiday mug collection because I honestly, sorry that was so close. I honestly get asked so many times where my mugs are from. And I'm gonna switch hands really quick. I swear I get them all from, oh look, hi Hunter. Hi. He's so cute. I get them all from like the same places, like the same. Okay, so let me just set you guys up. Okay, so the places I get them from are Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, like the fabric store. I know that sounds so weird, but it's kind of like a Michael's where it's like fabric and like crafts and stuff like that. Now they have a lot of like home stuff. So I get them from there. I don't know if I said it already, but I get them from Target because Target is life. And then I'll get some like here and there. So let me show you. really quickly because my camera's gonna die. I need to charge the battery. So this one has a plaid mousse, and a little like gray Christmas tree and some snowflakes. This one is from Joann's. This was probably like, okay, so it was $10 originally, but they always have stuff like 50% off, so that was like $5. This one, this is a super cute mug. I've had this for the longest time though, and honestly I have no idea where I got it from, but I would guess that it's Home Goods because, let's be real, it's probably Home Goods. This one, I believe, is from Michael's, or Joann's, one of those two. And then I'm gonna move you over really quick so I can get the other mugs. Oh, Hunter's getting so heavy, you guys. Like, he is just such a big boy. Careful not to lean on that because I don't want you to fall. Okay, this one says Barely Awake, which is so cute. This one's also from Joann's. Adorable. This one was also like $10 on sale for $5. And then they have this super cute snowman mug, which Madeline loves to use for her peppermint hot chocolate. So that one is super cute. It keeps focusing on Hunter's little face. So anyways, this one's super cute. I think this one was from, I don't know where that one's from. I'll try to figure it out, but I've had that mug for like the longest time. And then this one is another giant mug. This one's from Target. This was in their dollar section. It was $3. So it's like some red and green and black plaid. And then on the inside, it has little like red speckles. And then there's the one that I just showed you. There's this Joy mug. This one's really little, so I don't use this very often. This one I think was from Joann's as well. And then my other Christmas mug is this one. And this one is also from Home Goods, and it says Season's Greetings. And it has little Christmas lights on it and a red inside. So that's my holiday mug collection. Seriously, I swear by all those places. So if you're looking for cute holiday mugs, check those out. Okay, so we are on rainy day schedule today. It is supposed to be raining until 5 a.m. tomorrow, and it is currently 11:47. Yeah. So we are going to make
baking some cupcakes.
Yes, we're baking cupcakes.
What the awesome cupcake liners.
We have cupcake liners. I'll have you show them in a second. This is the kind that we're making. It's the Pillsbury boxed funfetti, but it's like the Christmas kind. I like to make cupcakes from scratch, but I'm craving something sweet and yummy and delicious, and I forgot that I got these, so I saw them in the cabinet, and I was like, ooh, let's bake cupcakes. So that's what we're doing. And then I also picked up the frosting for this too. I don't know, this must be green. This is the funfetti vanilla frosting, also from Pillsbury. And it has the little Christmas trees and all of that stuff in there as well. So we are gonna get to baking, and we'll show you how they turn out.
There's a bright star shining tonight I have never seen before. It makes the snow come alive with a light, like a spotlight on the glistening winter floor. And I'm thinking of you and how I'm just nearby. I know what I gotta do. I must give it a try. So won't you come out with me tonight on a Christmas stroll through a wintry town? It's a lovely sight when the city's in this gown. So come on and take a Christmas stroll with me tonight. We can take a shortcut through the park, walk real close, holding hands there in the dark. Have some.
we just put the cupcakes in. Hunter's having a little bit of a meltdown. I realized once I was done filling the cupcake little liners that I hadn't heated up the oven, so I had to wait for that. Now we're just standing at the window watching the rain. Is that nice, Bubba? Is that nice?
I want to see too. Ooh, an icy mint.
That is crazy.
So I don't want to go skating.
Hi. That's better. So, let's see. I think I said earlier, I haven't really done much today because it's raining, and it's been one of those days where it kind of just feels better to like sit and hang out and not really do anything. So that's basically what I've been doing. And I can't do laundry because I forgot to have Derek fix the hose thing for the washer. And I'm not really sure like how to put it together. So I don't want to do it and then have it be messed up. So I have to have him do that when he gets home from work today. For dinner, I think I'm going to make some chili because it's nice and cold. And Madeline, what are you doing? You're so weird. I think I'm gonna make some chili. So maybe I'll show you kind of prepping that. I don't have a crock pot, so I just put it in like a big pot and cook everything up. Hey, look at that, FedEx is coming. Woohoo! What did we get? What did we get? What did we get?
What did we get?
What is it? What is it? What is it?
He's running.
Maybe it's our Young Living oils that we've been waiting for forever. Okay, so if you saw my Vlogmas Day 2 video, then you saw that I was doing a Vitacost haul, and I was saying that I was waiting for my other shipment. Madeline, don't do that. So this is the other part of it. I don't know why it took so long to get here. God, that was like an act of Congress to get that out. Okay, or opened, I guess. So, last part of the Vitacost haul. So these are the Grab Green Garbage Disposal Freshener and Cleaner Pods. It says removes odors, loosens grime, helps prevent clogging. And I got them in the tangerine with lemongrass scent. And they have 12 little pods in them. It says naturally derived ingredients, non-toxic formula, free of phosphates, and no chlorine or dyes. Highly concentrated garbage disposal freshener and cleaner pods. Then it says turn on warm water, run at a slow stream, drop pod into disposal, and let water run for a few seconds, then turn on the disposal. I'm very excited to, what does this say? Oh, squeeze me for fragrance. Oh, those do smell good. Yeah, I'm excited for these. I was looking for them forever, and then they kept being sold out. Like pretty much any time I would try to add them to my cart, they were sold out, and I was so bummed. Like they have 2 fragrances. It's this one and then like a, what is it, pear and something else. Like it's 2 cents in like the one. But they were sold out, and then I think it was on Black Friday or like around, yeah, it must have been Black Friday. I saw it and I was like, well, I'm gonna just see if they're in stock, and then they were, and then when I went to add them to my cart, it said a minimum purchase of 2, and I was like, okay. So yeah, I got 2 of these, and then I feel like I've been waiting forever for these to get here. Black Friday was the 23rd and today's the 5th. It's like almost 2 weeks, but that's okay. Not the end of the world, so you know, whatever. Also, I'm loving this red nail polish that I'm wearing. let's see. Ugh, does that bug anyone else? Like if your like wedding band and your engagement ring like come apart, do you solder yours? Like did you get them to like stay? I might need to do that because it drives me nuts when they come apart. Anyways, red nail polish. It is called Ace by KL Polish. KL Polish is actually, if you've not heard of it, probably one of the best nail polish brands ever. Kathleen from Kathleen Lights here on YouTube actually created her own nail polish brand, and this is one of them. It's like the most perfect red for like all the time. It's one of my staples. It's actually going to be shown in a blog post coming soon. So I'll link this particular nail color Ace down below, and if you don't follow her already, you definitely should. So I'll leave her page linked down below too. She does a lot of really great like makeup tutorials and makeup looks and stuff like that, and it's just like she's amazing and I love her, and I'm sure that you would love her too. So in about 10 minutes I will update you.
And how I'm just nearby, I know what I gotta do. I must give it a try. So won't you come out with me tonight on a Christmas stroll through a wintry town? It's a lovely sight when the city's in this gown. So come on and take a Christmas stroll with me tonight. We can take a shortcut through the park. Walk real close, holding hands there in the dark. Have
Taste them.
Yeah, they look pretty delicious, don't they?
And we got sprinkles all over the counter.
That's okay. I'm pretty sure Pillsbury has some of the best funfetti sprinkles.
Yeah, they're totally good. Especially
What are you doing?
eating them. Snuggle in her.
So I was gonna show you guys kind of like what I'm doing for dinner and prepping it and all of that good stuff, but it's already getting late and Hunter's getting fussy because it's time for a nap, and Madeline is waking up from a nap and is gonna be fussy. So I'm just going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll keep it short and sweet. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys leave if you haven't already, and if you are liking Vlogmas so far, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!